Well, hello there. I'm Donna Robertson.
And Fran Morgan with Fabric Café.
We hope you had an awesome Thanksgiving.
And we are getting in the festive spirit and putting up some Christmas decorations.
So come join us.
This Christmas, we're doing something special. See our little elf buddy here? Well, in all of the videos between now and December 14th, he's gonna be hiding somewhere in the background. And if you can catch all of the videos and where he is, you could get a chance to win a special Christmas gift. To participate, all you have to do is email a list of all the videos he's in and where he is to welisten@fabriccafe.com. We will then randomly select 3 lucky winners from all those participants who got it right, and we'll send those gifts out at the beginning of the new year. So be sure to get those answers in by December 20th.
Look at our gorgeous Christmas tree. We're all set up and ready to go. From our Fabric Café family to yours,
Merry Christmas!